Naghahanda na sana ako ng gagawin ko para sa aking veg mumu. Pero parang naisip ko, iba pa din talaga pag chicken mumu yung lulutuin ko. So, instead na veg mumu, lalabas na lang ako para bumili ng chicken. Kasi konti lang yung flour ko. I don't think na kakasya ito. Labas muna tayo para bumili ng chicken. Ating cabbage. Chopped carrots and onions. Last time, hindi ako naglagay ng carrots. Ngayon, maglalagay ako. Parang veg. Mumu pa din siya.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that.
So, here's my first batch ng momos. Meron pa akong ginagawa. Ito na lang naman yung dough ko. Tapos, ito na yung nagawa ko. So, ngayon, maghanda tayo ng soup. Kasi yung gagawin ko is chicken momo soup. So, yung gagawin ko muna is gigisa ako ng siguro 2 tablespoon nitong stuffing. Instead of butter, I'm using ghee. Hindi na ako magigisa pa ng onion and garlic kasi meron naman tong onion na. Para lang may lasa. Lagyan ko lang ng konting soy sauce para sa kulay. Black pepper. A bit of salt. Lagay ko to sa taas, guys, para yung second batch ko unti-unti kong malagay din dito. Ito naman yung niluluto na abhi na red chutney namin, guys. Almost done na kami dito. Tapos na rin yung aming soup. Ito na yung unang batch. Ito, second batch na yan.
Let's put baby on. Say, he's in the soup.
Yummy.
Daddy? Daddy?
Yummy. Sarap ng sabaw. Para na talaga siyang pansit mulo.
Good morning sa inyong lahat, maayong aga. From yesterday, hindi maganda yung aking pakiramdam. Pero dahil nanay tayo, go lang ng go. Meron akong biniling chicken kahapon. Plano ko marinate ng chicken at gagawin ko siyang chicken tocino. Hindi ko to siya nalinis kahapon kasi parang napagod ako mula sa tindahan. So, nilagay ko na lang siya sa freezer. Ngayon ko siya i-marinate. Chicken. I'm going to make chicken.
So cold.
Yeah, because it's frozen. So, gagawa tayo ng chicken tocino.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know what we would give up. A day for building forts and trees, sing a song to the buzzing bees. Hop on our bikes, head down to the store to buy candy. Let it melt there on our tongues. Laugh till we felt it in our lungs. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know what we would give up. Was it a dream, my love? Remember me just as I was.
Meron na naman akong gagawin na ghee. Ito yung mga cream na nakolekta ko. 2 buwan, siguro 3 buwan. Yan yung cream natin. Dinefrost ko na to from last night. So, yan. 3 lagayan. Ilagay natin sa ating mixer. Ang dami nang nakolekta ko na cream ngayon.
Ito na yung ating cream na separate na yung butter.
Mama needs this.
Pan.
Pan.
Ayan na guys. Ito na yung butter. Pwede mo nang gamitin to. Yung ito. Pero dahil ghee yung gagawin natin, kailangan natin siyang kunin and then lutuin. That's why magiging clarified butter siya. Butter na yan guys. Then lutuin natin siya. Ito na lahat ng butter na nakolek ko. Ayan, unti-unti na siyang nagiging clear, di ba?
Hold this na.
So, when it cools down, it will now look like this. Parang butter na talaga yan siya. And it smells so good. Our homemade clarified butter or ghee.
Please like our channel. Subscribe.